Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you are a returning viewer. Today, we're going to be diving into something a little bit different, a flashlight that's more than just your average light source. We're talking about the Fenix SW05R-UV, a dual light that combines a powerful white light with a dedicated UV LED. Let's jump right into it, not waste any time. All right, so as I said, today we're going to be taking a look at one of the new releases from Fenix. This is the SW05R-UV. Now, there's another SW5R that's out there that has a red light instead of the UV, so that's what the UV stands for on this particular case. It's ultraviolet. Now, I have gone and taken the liberty of removing everything from the package. It is pretty simple. You, of course, get your flashlight. You get your user's manual. If you're not too familiar with it, go ahead and run through this. You get your warranty card to send in to Fenix. It's, I believe, 2.5 years free repair and other things that are covered about 5 years. They have a really good warranty on their products. And it also comes with some of the other products that we carry at Fenix as well. So if you want to take a look at those. And of course, it is a USB Type-C rechargeable flashlight. So you will get your charging cable. One end, USB-A. The other end is your USB-C. First off, let's talk about the design. Now, the SW5R-UV is compact, it's lightweight, and perfect for everyday carry. You've got a single button on the top for easy operation and a single switch on the side simply for your UV. On the other side, you have a USB Type-C charging port that is easily accessible. And a really cool function about this one is the head of the light is also capable of a 200-degree adjustable beam angle. So if you just simply turn it, you can adjust the beam 200 degrees this way or that way. Also, the tail end of the light is magnetic for hands-free use as well. There you go, a little hands-free action for you. Now, let's get to the lights. On one side, you have a high-performance white LED with a brightness level up to 150 lumens, and it's definitely bright enough for most of your everyday tasks. You've got multiple brightness levels, easily cycled through with the button here on the front. It has a good throw and a wide flood together. It makes it versatile for both close-up and distant illumination. But the real star of the show here is the UV light. It's not just a gimmicky UV light. It is a powerful 1.5 watt, 365 nanometer UV LED, and it's perfect for a range of applications. Say, for instance, you work somewhere where you need to check currency. You can check for those hidden security features on the bills. If you work in law enforcement or anything else, you can use it for forensic analysis. You can detect bodily fluids or other substances that you need the light for. Some people like to use it for mineral identification. Some minerals, rocks, they give off a fluoresce under a UV light, and this will be really cool for that. Leak detection. If you're a mechanic, certain fluids will glow under the UV light. Say, for instance, your air conditioning in your vehicle. If it's leaking under the UV light, it will show. Some people want to use it for pet stain detection. Those pesky pets, they go number 1 or number 2, but especially number 1, you can find those hidden messes wherever they little buggers are getting off to. Now, I'm in Arizona, so you can use it for scorpion detection. It's a must-have for those living in areas with scorpions. Now, this UV light is surprisingly strong, and it really brings out the fluorescence in the materials. And like I said, it's a fantastic tool for anyone who needs to inspect things closely or detect hidden substances. The SW05R-UV is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery. Like I said, simply plug in your USB-C cord into the USB-C port right here on the side of the flashlight, and you're good to go. It has a runtime of up to 13 hours on the lowest white light setting, and it has a little bit over a 3-hour runtime on your UV light as well. So it has some pretty impressive runtimes for being such a small and compact flashlight. So who is this flashlight for? Well, it's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable everyday carry flashlight, professionals who require UV inspection capabilities like law enforcement, forensic scientists, or mechanics, outdoor enthusiasts who want a versatile light source. This is perfect. Pet owners who need to find those hidden stains, like I said, the UV light is perfect for that. So, overall, the Fenix SW05R-UV is a fantastic dual light flashlight. It's extremely compact, it's durable, and it offers both a powerful white light and a dedicated UV LED. It's a versatile tool that can be used in a variety of situations. Those, the ones that I've gone through, you can use, like I said, the magnetic tail end for hands-free use. You can put it on your hood under your vehicle, anything magnetic, and the 200-degree light adjustable beam up here is perfect for that. It does have a nice, sturdy, solid clip. You can clip it on your shirt. Again, for hands-free. You can clip it on your hat and rotate this bad boy anywhere you need it to be. To use it, you simply hold down your button right here. It will turn on your flashlight. To go over your different brightness settings, simply press your button. That'll go up, and it'll go back to your lowest setting. Now for the UV light, the purple button on the side, if you hold your button again and turn your flashlight off, if you press and hold the UV light, there is your UV light. It is capable of doing both at the same time. If you turn on your flashlight and hold down your UV button, let's see, there it goes. You've got both lights at one time. So, if you're looking for a high quality flashlight with UV capabilities, this new Fenix SW05R-UV is definitely worth checking out. Like I said, there's also another version without the UV light, and it does have a red LED, which can be used for keeping your night vision. That's really good for that. Low light levels, if you're maybe hunting somewhere or you don't want somebody to see you for a far distance, that's what you would want the red one for. So you can pick that one up. I will include a link for this to purchase it in the description below. And as always, if you can hit that like button for us, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps us out. Gets this video out to a lot more people. If you enjoyed this video, go back and check out some of our other ones. We've got a ton of other videos. Until next time, guys, stay safe. Take care out there. Bye-bye.